Hi everyone. One of the most pressing concerns today is the increasing use of addictive substances among adolescents and young adults, leading to a rise in criminal activities. It is essential to instill awareness that both individual and social well-being depend on maintaining a healthy body and mind. The new generation, often engrossed in mobile phones, cannot be reached effectively through speeches or advice alone. They must be engaged in a way that does not bore them and instead integrates them into society. Universal sports education is one of the best ways to guide the younger generation toward better health. Physical education should be made compulsory from the lower primary level with adequate facilities and the appointment of qualified physical education teachers. This is an investment in the health of future generations with long-term benefits. The reason for the better health of people in Western countries is their strong sports culture. In Kerala, physical education should continue as a core subject in the higher secondary curriculum as well. A well-developed sports culture fosters a healthier, more tolerant society and enhances both mental and social well-being. Recognizing this, sports and physical activities should be prioritized in the fight against substance abuse. The health of society cannot be measured solely by the number of hospitals and medical colleges it has. Instead, it should be assessed based on the availability of playgrounds, sports coaches, and facilities for physical activities. Greater importance should be given to the construction of playgrounds rather than just hospitals. The best remedy for disease prevention is structured physical exercise and engaging in physically demanding sports. Therefore, identifying, developing, and maintaining playgrounds and public spaces at the ward level should become a key community agenda. Today, many children struggle to cope with even minor setbacks in life, leading some towards extreme measures like self-harm. Instead of immersing them in digital games, they should be encouraged to engage in real-world physical activities in playgrounds and public spaces where they can experience both victory and defeat. The arts and sports clubs that once created a festival-like atmosphere in our villages during annual events must be revived. This is how we should embrace and support our children. By studying the changing family and social environment, we can introduce timely changes that ensure children receive the care, love, and attention they truly understand and appreciate. This is what they need. The establishment of stadiums alone is not enough. These facilities must be made available to the public during the designated hours to ensure they benefit the entire community. Forming ground protection committees with local participation is essential to maintain these spaces effectively. In addition to exclusive stadiums for specific sports, open public playgrounds must be created wherever possible. Efforts can be made through public-private partnerships as well. Every ward should conduct a thorough study of its basic sports and public space facilities. Kerala is a densely populated state with limited land availability. However, the real issue is not just the scarcity of land but the lack of a collective mindset to utilize and maintain existing playgrounds and public spaces efficiently. Our vision must be to become a society that cherishes and protects these spaces as precious community assets, ensuring a physically and mentally healthier future for all. Thank you.